Everyone knows Grok can generate unlimited images and short clips, but very few people know that Grok can create full-long videos with 100% character consistency. Today, I'll show you the exact trick I used to generate this 60-second video using Grok alone, same character, same style, perfectly consistent. With this method, you can create high-quality long videos and grow your YouTube channel fast. So let's start by using ChatGPT to generate the video story. We'll start by generating a short story, and to make it engaging, we'll ask ChatGPT to add a new suspense hook every 5 seconds. Also, we'll keep the story to just 2 characters, so it stays simple and visually consistent. And just like that, our 60-second short story is ready. Next, we'll ask ChatGPT to generate prompts for every scene, with one clear instruction. Each scene must stay connected to the previous one for a smooth, cinematic story flow. And as you can see, we now have all scene-wise prompts ready. Now let's create the first scene. We already copied the prompt for scene 1, so inside Grok, simply switch the mode from video to image, paste the prompt, and hit send. Grok will generate multiple image variations for this scene. From these, pick the best version you want to continue with. Just click on your selected version, and if you want to change the aspect ratio of the final video, you can adjust it here. I'm choosing Portrait, Mobile Format, for this tutorial. Next, click Make Video, and within a few seconds, the video clip for Scene 1 is ready, and here it is. Now, let's generate Scene 2. Copy the Scene 2 prompt, paste it into Grok, and hit Generate. Within seconds, you'll see new images for Scene 2, but notice something important. The main character has changed. The robot design in Scene 2 doesn't match the robot from Scene 1. And if we want to create a long story video with 100% character consistency, this mismatch becomes a problem. But before fixing it, let's first generate the video clip from this current Scene 2 image, and as you can see, it looks good, but clearly not the same character as the first scene. So here's the secret trick to maintain 100% character consistency. Play the Scene 1 video clip till the very end. At the final frame, right-click and copy the last frame. Now paste that image into the Imagine prompt box. The moment you paste it, Grok automatically starts generating a video from that last frame. If you don't want this auto-generation, don't worry, we'll fix that later. For now, here's the new video Grok made from the last frame. It looks smooth, but it still doesn't match our intended Scene 2 visuals. So to fix this and match it perfectly with Scene 2, we need to go back to ChatGPT again. Now copy the prompt for Scene 2, paste it along with the last frame of Scene 1, and click Make a Video. Within a few seconds, the new Scene 2 clip is ready, and this time, we have 100% perfect character consistency. To generate Scene 3, we'll repeat the same process. Go to the last frame of Scene 2 and copy that frame. But before pasting it, we must disable auto-generation. Just click your profile icon, go to Settings, open the Behavior tab, scroll down, and turn off automatic generation. Now click the Back button. Paste the copied last frame from Scene 2 into the Grok Imagine box. You'll see the last frame appear instantly. Next, copy the Scene 3 prompt from ChatGPT, paste it below the image, hit Send, and within seconds, bingo! Our Scene 3 video clip is ready. And once again, the character consistency is perfectly maintained. Using this method, you can generate every scene of a long video with the exact same characters, style, and visual continuity. Simply repeat the process for all remaining scenes. Once all scenes are generated, click here to view your entire set, and as you can see, we now have all scenes ready with stable character consistency. To download any scene, just click on it and hit the download button. Now that we have all our scene clips ready, the next step is to edit them together to form one long YouTube video. But before that, we need a voiceover, and for that, we'll use Google AI Studio, the free AI voiceover generator. To generate the narration voiceover, click on the Single Speaker Audio option. Choose your preferred voice from the list, then copy your script and paste it into the text box. Remove any unwanted parts, in our case, that's the timestamps, and hit the Generate button. Within a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready. You can preview it
in the middle of a glowing Pixar-style forest.
And once you're happy, simply download the file. Now comes the editing part. Import all your scene clips and the voiceover file into your favorite video editor. I'm using Filmora for this tutorial. First, drag the voiceover onto the timeline. We need to remove the silent gaps. You can trim manually, but Filmora gives you a much faster option. Click Silence Detection, keep these default settings, and hit Analyze. The analysis takes a few seconds. When it's done, click Finish and Replace, and Filmora will automatically remove all silent sections for you. Next, import the first scene. If you're making a TikTok or Reels format video, you'll need to adjust the size because Grok doesn't always output the exact vertical dimensions. The perfect fix is to scale the video to 123%. This works the best in most cases. Now adjust the clip speed so the visuals match the scene 1 narration line. Do the same for every scene. Import the scene. Set scale to 123%. Adjust the speed to sync with narration. Once everything is aligned smoothly, you can also add automatic captions to increase retention. If you've watched till this point, please support me by hitting the like button, and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to create a complete animated movie using just prompts, then you must not miss this video. See you inside that tutorial.